Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how you can fix your glass nails yourself and do your own glitters yourself. So right now I'm actually using my nail remover to clean off the surface of the nails. I'm cleaning up the surface of the nails right now. You actually clean up the surface of the nails before you start filing or doing your cuticle aspect of it. So right now I'm actually cleaning the surface of the nails. So cleaning the surface of the nails, after that you use your cuticle, which I'm using now. Use it to remove the dirt inside your nails and the ones at the corner, for you to have that very nice look. So I'm actually removing those dirts. You know, sometimes we don't know that dirts are inside our nails, so that's what I'm removing right now. I'm using the cuticle to remove. Please don't mind my cuticle. So this is the glass nails I'll be using. I'm actually using Charming nails. Charming nails is what it's called. Charming glass nails. So that's what I'm using. And this is what I used in making my glitters. I used mini sachets to make up my glitters. Like you're saying, you cut them into small pieces in form of glitters. So that's what I'm using, and that's how I did it, using the scissors to cut it. So this is the nails. The nails has numbers, so you actually check the numbers that will fit into any of the hands or the nails you're putting them into. So after checking that, you file it. You file the top of it like I'm doing right now. You file it very well to have a nice shape. Then you cut the sides of the front to bring out the shape on how you want the nails to look like when you fix them on your hands. So after that, you file it again. You keep filing it for it to bring out a very nice looking shape. So it's actually too long. I'm still cutting it. Okay, so I'm checking it into my nails to see how it looks before I apply my super glue. So I want to do the same thing to the others. I'm actually doing this because I'm going to start with my left hand before I go to my right hand. This is not already made nails. This is the nails that you're going to make your own self. You're going to polish it your own self. Already made nails, you can just fix it in your right hand side and use your right hand to fix the other hand. But since I'm going to be showing you guys how you can design your own nails and cut test it, that's why it's taking much time. So right now I'm actually designing the nails using my super glue, and I'm applying the glitters. I actually use that needle there to touch the super glue and collect a glitter and put it on the super glue on top of the nails. So that's what I'm doing right now. So you place them on the nails and make sure it's balanced and it's flat, looking as if it's a normal sticker that came with the nails. So that's what I'm doing right now. So that's how I actually collected it and put it on top of the nails. You touch the super glue first, then you touch the glitters and put it on top of the glass nails for you to bring up the kind of design that you want. So that's for the designing part. So I start filing my own nails. You file it. Nails have to do with more of filing. Mostly when you're not fixing on already made nails, you file more. So now I'm about to apply it on my nails, like fix it on my nails. So I'm actually fixing my left hand right now. Yes, so I fixed this one on my left hand and look at how it looks. I've not applied my cut test yet. So this is the one that I designed using the glitters, like, yeah. So I'm going to do the same fixing to the other nails. So that's what I'm doing. I'm actually fixing the other nails and I just filed it now. to bring out a very nice shape. Honestly speaking, I know so many people will be like surprised, like, so people know about using a biscuit sachet to make a glitter, and some people they don't know about it. So you can actually use a biscuit sachet to make glitters. You can also use wrapping sheets to make glitters too. So this is how I came up with this very beautiful design using mini me sachets. So I'm going to be fixing all my nails all around. So that's what I'm doing. I'm fixing it all around, just the way you fix your normal already made nails. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm fixing everything, and you touch it, you make sure you hold it for a very long time so to be balanced. If not, it's going to pull off if it's not balanced on your nails. So you fix it and make sure it's strong before you leave it. So I'm going to be fixing the other one. You see, yeah, apply your super glue like that and you fix it on top of it like this. So when I'm done with this, the next part of it is going to be the filing part of it. So I'm still fixing the nails now. So I'm done with my left hand. So this is how my left hand looks like right now after fixing it. I've not applied my cut test yet. So I start filing it. There's the part where you need to file and file and file and file. You file so much until you get the very, very beautiful look. Your nails needs to have that very good shape. Okay, so this is the shape that I want. So this is the after product of fixing the nails first without cut test. So I'm still filing. It's all about filing. Then you use your cotton wool and nail remover to clean off your hands so it will look very nice. So right now I'm actually still going to design my right hand just the way I designed the left hand. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm actually designing my right hand just the way I designed the left hand. So I'm doing the same design but in a different way. So that's what I'm doing. The same procedure, like I've already told you. You touch the super glue first, then before you touch the glitters. So I'm done with it. Sorry, it's actually the left hand, not the right hand, and the other one was actually my right hand. Sorry. So I'm cleaning off all the particles of nails that I filed in my hands, and so now I'm going to be using the hardener on my nails before I start applying the normal cut test. So I'm using my hardener now. So you actually use your hardener to cut test the nails first. So I'm cut testing the nails with my hardener now. So you're going to do that to this other hand, just what you did to the first hand. You do that to the other hand. You cut test it with the hardener. So I'm actually using the cut test now to cut test the nail. So it's start cutting the nails now with the colored cutters. This is not actually the Adna anymore. This is the normal cutters. There's no big deal about this place. You just have to cut test all the nails. You do it the way you want, the kind of design you want. Everybody with a different kind of design and how they want to cut test their nails. So this part, I actually looked at it that it wasn't looking that nice on that first nail. So I wanted to do my own design there. So I'm cutting the other nails now. Yeah. So this is how you place your hands while you're cutting your nails like this. You place your hands like that and you cut it like this. Just for you not to have that rough look polish on your nails, you put your hands straight and you cut it very well. So I'm doing the same thing to the other hand. Then after that, I have to let it dry. After that, I need to let it dry. So I'm still cutting the nails now. Funny enough, I don't usually do my nails myself. It's only when I'm maybe going for an occasion that is very urgent, or like I forgot that I had an occasion that day and I just checked my calendar. So this is the finished product of the nails. So this is how it looks like. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to touch the subscribe button, drop a like and subscribe. See you in my next one.